Oh, hi there. It's me, AZ. Hi, it's me, AV. Welcome to our channel, friends! Okay, so today, friends, we're gonna be doing a craft for Father's Day.
Because Father's Day is coming up. Father's Day around the world is usually celebrated on the third Sunday of June. The first Father's Day that was ever celebrated was on June 19th, 1910.
Friends, remember the Mother's Day video? And the carnation was the flower that represents Mother's Day. But, well, did you know, friends, and AV, that the flower that represents Father's Day is the rose. Okay, friends, now it's time to do the Father's Day craft. Are you excited?
Yeah!
And now, me and AV are gonna tell you the materials you'll need. So we'll need markers.
Also be needing resealable plastic bags.
And we'll also need white paper.
And a black, like construction paper or card. And scissors.
Now it's time to start our Father's Day craft.
So now, let's get our resealable bags and white paper, and then we're gonna put the white paper inside our bag. Now let's start our craft. I recommend using darker colors for the best results for our craft.
He's not really that fat, but I try my best. You can help me color his shirt if you want. How about you color his shirt orange? Oh, how about orange? His favorite color is orange. I'm coloring a nugget ring.
Now it's time to make our flashlight. We will need a marker, supposedly a black marker, a white paper, and scissors. Make sure you have a parent or guardian supervisor. Now it's time to cut our flashlight. It's time to glue the light on. You can use any glue, but I recommend using glue sticks. What we did. The backstory of my picture is McDonald's because my dad always buys me McDonald's.
And my fact is, I drew my dad as a fairy, and I drew us on the walk because I don't know how to make a car because he usually drives me, and so I just make us go on the walk because sometimes I go on a walk with him.
Now that we're done with our drawing and our flashlights, we are going to change out the paper to black paper. And I recommend laminating our flashlights so it lasts longer. You can kind of see our drawing, but if we use the flashlight, you can see it better. I shall demonstrate. Pretend to turn on our flashlight.
Here's my dad, and made us with angels. Here's roses, and here's me. And yeah, that's fine. I think our dads will love it. Okay, friends, I hope you liked this video with me and Avery.
Hope you enjoyed making this craft for Father's Day.
Yeah, and probably your dad will like it, and I hope me and Davey's dad will like it craft too.
You can also use this craft for any occasion.
Yeah, you can even use it for Mother's Day and draw a different picture. Also use this for our iSpike game. Okay, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell button below and share with your friends or family. Happy Father's Day!